This 2017 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 21 feet 6 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.